In the video today, I want to show you how to change the watch band on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. This will also apply for the Galaxy Watch FE. So right now I have the fabric band, and to take it off, it's super easy. On the back here, you'll have these little buttons. Use your fingernail, preferably your thumb, to give it a press. And then once I want to make it so you can see it while I'm doing it. So press, and then just pull, and it will detach that easy. One more time, press, and just pull away. And now our band is off. And now I'm going to be adding the sport band. And when you put your bands on, pay attention to the orange. The orange should line up on the same side as your home button, which also has an orange outline. See that? And so that's gonna go down there. This will go up like this. Flip it over. And same process, we're going to press the button first, and then it'll fit nice and neat in that little space. Do that a few times for it to snap in. There we go. All right, let's press the button here and put one side in first, and then firmly press down the other side before letting go, and give it a little twist. And now it's on. There we go. So that's our sport band. That's how easy it is to change the bands out. Now, I also want to show you guys this really cool watch band from a company called Pitaka. This is a carbon fiber watch band, which is really nice. And it's adjustable, so you can actually take these little rings off to make it tighter, kind of adjust it to your wrist size. And you can see right there, I have it on my wrist right now. It has a really nice feel. It has a really nice clean look as well. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description to where you can get that band. And basically that was the process to change out your watch band on the Watch 7. I hope you found this helpful. If it was, hit the like button down below. Here you'll find more of my Watch 7 videos. And here you'll also find a really helpful video as well. So check those out, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care, and as always, have a good one.